what do you think that the definition is of fatigued?
Oh man. So to me, and there's obviously various levels of fatigue that people can go through, different severity levels, but ultimately to me, it's a mechanical cellular breakdown. Um, at this, and that's the core of what it's all about at the end of the day. How do you get function appropriately through multiple systems in the body to realign you back to a high vibrancy, right?
Mhm.
So, and uncovering it can be complicated for some people. So, fatigue is not, it's always a sidebar of something. You don't just get fatigue. Fatigue is a huge symptom, right? It's a
Yep.
huge symptom of something else or multiple things being out of alignment or out of balance at the end of the day.
I think that it's so true because, and obviously people are entrepreneurs that watch this show. And at the end of the day, there's this, I always talk about, it's almost like everything that we want to be great at is like a sport has a season. So we were actually, before we jumped on here, we were talking about jujitsu and Muay Thai and all
Yeah.
that kind of stuff. And we were talking, see my face lights up when I talk about that stuff. I caught myself. I was like, oh. But ultimately, that fatigue, made me laugh. So I forgot what I was saying. But ultimately, entrepreneurs are not put in a sequence of, like, for example, a season. Like football players, they've got to basically go, all right, we got this season off. Now you
Yep.
go, forget about this. Now we're going to ramp up preseason and then we're going to kind of get you moving. For fighters, it's a 6-week camp and the rest of the time you're maintaining. And so kind of bringing that up, what are your thoughts about when people actually hit fatigue? How do you see, what is their time when they don't have to prepare for, the next CrossFit games or something like that?